Alright, are you ready?
And here's your Snuggie.
Alright, my 63-year-old mom got this really cool Snuggie for Christmas, and we're going to do this commercial. We're going to do like our own generic version of it.
Wow, what a nice Snuggie.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Oh, did you? She tripped me. Get on your Snuggie. Get.
Do you have a splint for my leg?
I'm gonna do the running madness thing. Wait.
Get on your Snuggie.
Everyone join the game. We got the party going. Look,
get on your Snuggie.
They're killing me. Oh my god. We gotta do this.
I hope someone doesn't come to the door right now.
So if you all out there are cold and you want to warm up and melt in your kitchen within 10 minutes,
It's not child safe.
it's not childproof. You'll trip and fall
Please
out of
make
your
sure
chair.
you don't have hardwood floors or tile.
And
Don't light your fireplace.